Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a just kind of sit here, let's do our makeup together video. I wanted to use these like Maybelline City Mini palettes. I posted on my Instagram and did a poll and these did win. It was kind of tied for a while between this one and one of the new I think eyeshadow palettes that came out of BoxyCharm this month. But I decided let's go ahead and do these. So these are the City Mini palettes we will be using today, and I'm just going to use some makeup that I haven't used on my channel in a while, or maybe I haven't talked about in a while. So this is just gonna be like a fall, winter, matte, smoky eye makeup tutorial. I kind of just like sitting here and doing my makeup with y'all. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I am currently doing a first impression wear test. That's why I have like my base on. I'm doing it over the IT Cosmetics Matte CC Cream Foundation. So definitely keep an eye out for that. It will probably be up before this. So I'll either have a card or it will be linked down below. But the two City Mini palettes we will be using, this one is High Rise Sunset, and I really like it for this orange shade. And this one is Brooklyn Nudes. I think these are both matte, if I'm correct. Like I don't see any shimmer. So I figured we could just do something different, and we want to definitely use some shimmer, we can, but I think we're just going to do an all matte one today. I think that'd be kind of cool. But first we are going to do brows. I figured we would switch it up today and use a pencil because I have not used a pencil a while on my channel, and I definitely need to get my brows done. I say it all the time, but brows take a really long time to grow, and I'm trying to get these like center parts to grow out more. That's why they look a little cray cray right now. I'm gonna take the ColourPop Brow Boss pencil. This is like their revamped one or something. This is in the shade light brown. I'm not a huge pencil person, but you know, I use what I have, and if I do like it, like I'm pretty picky, I will rebuy it. The NYX one that I used in a video a while back that has like the weird elongated packaging, I really like that one a lot. Okay, since brows are done, I'm gonna go ahead and set them with the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel. I used to use this stuff religiously, and I kind of just stopped because I started getting into some brow gels that have like a tint to them and fibers. Like this Ardell one is literally probably my favorite thing I've ever used. Brow gel wise, I love it. So I was just kind of going through my little brow gel bin, and I was like, you know what, let's just use this one today. It's still a really good product, has a really nice hold to it. So now we are going to go in for eyeshadow. Starting off with this yellow shade right here. I feel like going straight in with this yellow shade just so it can pop with the other colors. I think it's gonna be pretty kind of peeking through with the browns and everything. So I'm just ever so slightly softly blending this. I don't want it very harsh. I just want a little bit of the yellow hue to come through. That way when we put down, like I said, the browns and everything, you'll still be able to see it. I'm pretty excited too because this week the Kylie Cosmetics, I guess, is releasing her stuff into Ulta. I'm like trying to move. She's releasing not all of her stuff, just like some of her like best-selling lip kits, I think. She said more was coming, so I'm pretty excited about this. I don't own anything from Kylie Cosmetics besides like a cosmetic bag. But I don't know, I'm kind of looking forward to messing around with some of her lip kits. Reason I don't have any is because one, I don't like ordering online because I feel like it's a pain, and two, I'm one of those people to where like I want it right then and there. The only place I like ordering from is like ColourPop because I just really like ColourPop stuff, and I feel like sometimes Kylie Cosmetics stuff can just be overhyped. And I don't know, I think the only thing I really want to try from her is just like her lip kits and like the glosses. That's really it. So I'm pretty excited to go to Ulta and see what they have to offer. So going in with Brooklyn Nudes, I'm going to take this lighter brown up here. And this is just a little bit of a lighter brown shade that I want to go in with before I go with anything deeper. And I am using the exact same brush just so it makes it easier. So now taking a mix of this orange and red shade from the High Rise Sunset. I have this on like a little angled brush, and I'm just gonna mix the two together and stamp them on the outer half of the eye. I'm gonna go in with a different brush afterwards because I don't really like this brush for crease work. I just like it for the outer V. And then taking a tiny little pencil brush, I'm gonna start blending this together in the crease. And I think I want to do something cool on the lid, like maybe take a brown or something different, not just like leave the lid plain. I think I want to put like a deeper color right there. So I think on the lid, I want to take this like reddish shade from Brooklyn Nudes. It's kind of like a brick red. I think I'm going to apply, oh, okay, well. Got fallout on the face though. That's wonderful. So lots of fallout on the face, but we will go in with a big fluffy brush once we're done and wipe that away. Blending out that line from the lid shade we just applied. And I will be putting like a deeper brown on the outer V. Okay, so taking the brown from that same Brooklyn Nudes palette, I'm going to put this right here on the outer V. I'm not blending it too far into the crease. I want to just keep it right there in the outer half. And then kind of blend it like halfway in and then stop. Nothing else. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop there for right now so I can get rid of this fallout on my face. Okay, I do have a little bit of fallout like right here on the side of my nose that I can't get off, but I'm gonna apply some black gel liner. This is my favorite one from Essence. And then I think I wanna go ahead and finish up the lower lash line while we are here. So I'm gonna take a mix of the brown that we applied in the outer V and then the red shade that we put on the lid on a pencil brush, and I'm going to buff that on my lower lash line. Pretty close to the lower lash line actually. And then taking a kind of like flat, or not flat, fat brush, I'm gonna take a little bit of the yellow shade and buff this down here also. Okay, so if I wanna add anything to the eyes once we're done with the face, I will, but I'm gonna take some of the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara on my upper lashes. And then taking just a little bit of the Wet n Wild Lower Lash Mascara. Okay, so now that we are done with the eyes, I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to actually use the Physicians Formula Butter Collection palette. I have it in medium deep, just because I really like the bronzer in here, and this is in deep bronzer. And I love Physicians Formula Butter bronzers. They're amazing, but I think the deep one is a little bit more obviously darker, and I like the color of this one. I still really like the light one, but I think this one is prettier. Okay, and I am going to take the blush in here. This is in Vintage Rouge, and this blush in here is actually pretty compared to like their other butter blushes. And then I also think I want to take the highlight in here because like I said, I really like this palette, and the scent, or like the perfume it came with, smells heavenly. Like it literally smells amazing. So I think I'm going to take the highlighter in Full Moon, which is a really, really pretty kind of like yellow gold. Okay, and since that is done, the last thing that we have to do is figure out a lip color, which I always feel like is the hardest. Okay, so we're gonna go in with two different lip combos. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Be My Baby 700. So I'm going to apply this. And then I'm gonna let that dry down. On top of it, I'm going to apply the Kathleen Lights ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Moonchild. This has a little bit of sparkle in it, so it'll give something. Since our face is pretty matte, just besides the highlight, and it is still nude, so it's really pretty. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I know it was kind of random, but I just really wanted to use the City Mini palettes and just use some stuff. I don't know. I wanted to just sit down and do like an old school tutorial. I feel like all the old school like YouTube videos are my thing. Like I really love them, and I still love to do them even though YouTube has changed so much. But I hope you guys did enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you guys later. Bye y'all.